Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with a very special unboxing. Today I'm going to show you my latest Chanel purchase. I've actually had these sneakers for a couple of weeks now, but I'm finally unboxing it today. I am so excited to share these with you. Are you guys ready? If you're new to my channel, the way that I do these unboxings is that I talk about the item, what drew me to it, my shopping experience. I'll do the unboxing and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, let's get started. This particular pair of sneakers is from the Cruise 21-22 collection, and I purchased it because I saw them on Instagram and I absolutely fell in love with them. They looked so beautiful. I've become a very big sneaker person, mostly because it's one of the only things I can wear. I have a ton of feet issues. I have plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis, so I have to be very careful with my footwear, and sneakers, especially ones with thicker soles, are definitely one of my most worn kinds of shoes. So I saw them and thought, those are practical. But seriously, they are for me because the sneakers are what I mostly wear. So when I saw them, saw how beautiful they are, knew that I could put my inserts in them and that they would be comfortable for me to walk around in for long periods of time, I knew that I would get my cost per wear out of these because I would wear them all so much. And yeah, so it was a no-brainer. I needed to have them. Of course, they were almost impossible to get, but I hunted them down and managed to get them from Bergdorf Goodman. So I'm so excited to show them to you. So here they are. I am absolutely in love with them. I've tried them on and they are so comfortable. As you can imagine, there's nothing strange about this sneaker. It's a classic sneaker. We have really nice, good thick soles. So if you are someone like me who needs a thicker sole, they are great. They're super comfortable. We have the leather, we have the mesh here, we have a little bit of suede, and the CCs are black suede as well. This right here is like a nylon, and it's super soft and just, yeah, I'm absolutely in love with these sneakers. Black and white is clearly a favorite aesthetic of mine. I'm a New Yorker, so I can wear black every single day, but I also love, for me, a touch of color, a pop of color is just adding white. So I love black and white. So I saw these and I absolutely fell in love with them. I fell in love with a pair of Chanel sneakers that were all black, and I never managed to get my hand on them because by the time I realized that I fall in love with them, it was way too late and they were all gone. So when I saw these, I just knew that I could not let that happen to me again, and I purchased them as soon as I could hunt them down. Now, as I mentioned, these were very difficult to get my hands on, so if you are having trouble finding them, if there are some still available, I would definitely try high-end department stores in your local area. They might be able to carry them. I know that Saks had them, And again, I found mine at Bergdorf Goodman. So if you have any high-end department stores that carry Chanel shoes, I would definitely try and get in touch with a sales associate there so that you can hunt them down if they're still available. I will include information about the sneakers down in the description box below to help you out. So if there's a chance that you can get your hands on them, good luck, because these are amazing, and if you want them, trust me, they're worth it. They're worth the hunt. If you're a fan of Chanel or high-end sneakers, please like and share. It really helps me out here on YouTube. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can set your notifications on for all. I make new videos every single week, so if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. And I cover everything from fashion to beauty, DIY projects, travel, you name it, I cover it all. If you have any questions or have a suggestion for a video that I should do next, please use that comment section below, or just say hi, because I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.